Hi, I am Dr. Sai Kiran, Associate Professor of Neurosurgery, Narayana Medical College. 5th September is being celebrated as Spinal Cord Injury Day. International Spinal Cord Society has decided to celebrate 5th September every year as Spinal Cord Injury Day to increase the awareness among general public regarding spinal cord injuries. Spinal cord injuries have devastating effects and the treatment is extremely expensive. Spinal cord has important tracts which connect brain to various parts of our body like limbs, bladder, bowel and respiratory musculature. Patients with spinal cord injury can have various symptoms depending on the level of cord injury. Patient can have weakness of all four limbs. Patient can have incontinence because of lack of control over bladder, and patient can have respiratory distress because of weakness of the respiratory muscles. Road traffic accidents are the most important cause of these spinal cord injuries. As majority of the patients with spinal cord injuries have irreversible neurological deficits, prevention is more important. Majority of these patients with spinal cord injuries have a vertebral body fracture which causes compression on the spinal cord. So adequate measures should be taken while transporting these patients, and patient needs to be immobilized on a hard wooden board with adequate support for the neck. With prompt and early surgical treatment, neurological deficits in few patients can improve after surgery. Patient might require surgery for removing the compressing part of the vertebral body along with spinal fixation, after which patient can be ambulated early. Surgical treatment for spinal cord injuries is extremely expensive and requires high-end equipment like intraoperative neurophysiological monitor, C-arm, etc. And patients also need to be in ICU for a prolonged time, especially in patients with cervical cord injury. They need to be on ventilator for a prolonged period of time. Neurosurgery department at Narayana Medical College is well equipped with all the equipment required for managing these complex cases, and we have been treating successfully these patients with spinal cord injury for past many years. The theme of this year's Spinal Cord Injury Day is COVID-19 and spinal cord injury, staying well. It is extremely important to prevent spinal cord injuries during this pandemic period, because it is extremely difficult to provide expensive ICU care and surgical treatment during this period. Prompt and early treatment is required for these patients, and neurological deficits in significant proportion of the patients can improve after surgery. Thank you.